Morning, students. This is from Vittal Matriculations. Okay, students. All of you, how are you? Yes. Are you eat or not? You cannot eat mean first of all you are go to eat in your food. Okay. Okay, students. The COVID issue also here, So you are using sanitizer also. So how to use sanitizer mean? You see the you put the sanitizer in your hand and wash your hands. Okay, right? How to wash means fully you wash in your hands, fully you wash in your hands, right? Okay, students, today we are see 7th standard English. Okay, today we are see 7th standard English, right? Okay, students. Today we are see the topic name is, I mean, the topic name is Edgar. Prose Unit 1. Right. The Unit 1 topic name is Edgar. Prose. Okay. Last day what are all the topic are we are see? Yes. The section 1. See section 2. Section 3 also you are see in the portion. Okay. Right. Okay, students. Already we are discussed about this filling the blanks in the first section. Okay, right. Okay. uh, Now we all see the section C, right? See, we all see the glossary, all of it we all see the last time. Okay. Okay, students. Now we all see work. See, you see here, work in pairs and answer the following questions, right? What are the questions? Now just I read. There were many toys in the stall. Thereof Hamid's friends had a part some toys. Part mean buying. Okay. Okay. What the questions also here? Yes. The first questions. Write the names of Hamid's friend in column A and the toys the part in the column B. What? Once again I read here. uh, Write the names of Hamid's friends in the column A and boy they bought in the column B. Okay. You see the box also here. Option A, option B. The two columns also here, Right. Uh, First of all, we are see Muhammad. Muhammad also one of the character of here. Okay. Muhammad is also friend of Hamid. Now you see Muhammad. So now I write the Muhammad. Right. Muhammad, which toy also buying to him? Yes, Muhammad also buying policeman in khaki. Okay, Muhammad also buying policeman in khaki. Right. Second one, you also see Mozin. What? Mozin also buying water carrier. It's one of the thing, Okay. Next we are see Noori. Yeah. Noori also one of the character of Hamid's friend. Right. Noori also buying to lawyer. So now I add here lawyer. Are you clear, students? Right. Okay. Now we are see the second one. C. Section 2. The question number 2 also we have C. Okay, that's write the name of the toys against each picture. What? Write the names of the toys against each picture. Right. How many pictures also here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures also here, Okay. Already I write the 3 character name. Okay. You see the first picture. What? He's put the uniform and he get the gun and he put the cap also. This man's also here, Here you see his name is what? Yes, his name is Soldier. Yes, because of the army. Yes, they are one of the soldier. Okay, so we are mentioned soldier, right? You see the second picture. Yes, second picture is also here, right? uh, because of one woman also here, Yes, see, name is washer woman, because of that's one of the work, right? Okay. You see the third picture, what? One pope also here, or saint. So now I write his name is holy man. So now I write holy man. Why now I write men mean? uh, it is the male character, So now I write holy man, or or saint. Okay, or saint. Holy man, or now I write the saint. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures also now I see, Okay, how many pictures also balance here? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures also balanced here, right? uh, you see the fourth one. You see the picture, first of all you see the picture. Yes, cow also here, one man also here. Yes, because of he's the getting to the milk. Okay. So now I write MILK, a milkmaid. MJ. His name is Milkmaid. This picture name is Milkmaid. How many pictures also balance are here? Yes, one, two. Two pictures also balanced here, right? Uh, who is it? Yes, this is a policeman, because of he also putting to the uniform. He's one get one gun. Right? He's one of the policeman. Policeman. You see this last picture also balanced here, Yes. Last one picture also balanced here. This name is what? Yes. This is one of the king. I read the king. Yes. King also here, Right. Are you clear, students? Right. Next we all see think and answer. They dissented on the sweet and toy vendor stores like an army moving to attack. One second I read. Yes. They dissented on the sweet and toy vendors stores like army moving to attack. How many questions also here? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 questions also here. Right. The first question is, who does they refer to? Yes, Did you did they move one by one in the line or in a big group? Okay. The second question is Hamid's friend enjoyed the ride in the merry-go-round. Okay, what? Hamid's friend enjoyed the ride in the merry-go-round. Okay, but Hamid didn't go on it. Why? This is one of the second question. You see the third questions. How did Hamid's friends show at they enjoyed eating the sweets? Because of their enjoying eating the sweets, you know that? Right. Uh, Now we given to the answer. Okay. See, the first question is what? Okay, students. Now we see the first question answer. Once again, who does they refer to? Did they move one by one in a line or in a big group? What? Who does they refer to? Did they move one by one in a line or a big group? Right. The first question answer is just you see they refers to the worshippers. They refers to the worshippers. They moved in a big group because of they are moving that crowd. That's a. I mean, and the Hamid friends also going there. That market, yeah. That time they are moved to the big group, right? Now we all see the second questions. Hamid's friend enjoyed the ride in the merry-go-round. Right. Hamid's friend enjoyed the ride in the merry-go-round. Okay. But Hamid didn't go on it. Why? Okay. Now we given to the answer 2. You see the second answer also here. Hamid had only 3 paisas because of Hamid had only 3 paisas. But now he had a 3 paisas also he have because of no more than paisas don't have a Hamid. So now I write Hamid had only 3 paisa. Hamid had only 3 paisas. He did not want to part with a third of his because of right. Okay. Hamid had only 3 paisas. He did not want to part with a third of the treasure for a few miserable rounds because of they are going to the you see the questions merry go round so so he did not the so he did not like to go on the merry go round. Okay, the answer is once again I tell Hamid had only 3 paisas. Hamid also had only 3 paisas, right? He did not want to part with a third of his treasure for a few miserable rounds because of they are go to the you see merry go round yes. So he did not like to go on the merry go round. Okay, because of they are given to the answer of these questions. You see third question. How did Hamid's friends show that they enjoyed eating the sweets? What the question was here? Yes. How did Hamid's friends show that they enjoyed eating the sweets? They are getting and buying to the sweets. That's one of the very sweetness of that. Because of the Edgar also there. I mean Heath also there. So that is one of the enjoyable function. So they are eating to the sweets. Right. You see the answer of the third questions. The answer also here. Hamid's friends smacked their lips with release. Okay, Hamid's friends smacked their lips. Lips mean like that nearest to your teeth. That's one of the lip. So Hamid's friends smacked their lips with release. Thus they showed that they enjoyed the sweets because of the sweets also very sweetness, very delightful. you know so the festival time coming in, we are eating to the sweets, snacks, what are all we are eating. Yes. Okay, students, are you clear? Right. Okay, we are go to section 2, sorry, section 3. We are go to section 3 because of already completed section 2. Yes. Now we are see section 3rd or 3. Okay. Okay, students, now we are see tick and correct answer. They are mentioned tick and correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay. What? Tick the correct answer. How many questions also here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on 4 questions also here. The first question is what? Yes. Hamid thought that his grand would be pleased if he parted us. What? Hamid thought that his grandma would be pleased if he parted us. Okay. Part mean buying. Already I telling part mean buying. How many options also here? Yes. A, B, C. 3 options also here. That yeah. First one is a pair of the tongues. Second one is sweets for himself. Third one, toys. So the 3 options also here. The first one is a pair of tongues. The B, sweets for himself. C, toys. So 3 options also here. Which is the answer? Yes, the option a pair of tongues. So now I write the yes. I write the a pair of tongues. This is answer. Okay. See the second one. What? Hamid's heart sank because the price of the tongues was dash for him. Hamid's heart sank because the price of the tongues was dash for him. How many options also here? 3 options also here. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Right. And the option is too high, too low. C. Affordable. C. Affordable. Right. 3 options also here. Affordable. Too high, too low. C. Affordable. 3 options also here. Right. Which is the answer? Hamid heart sank because the price of the tanks was dash for him. The answer is too high. Yes, the answer is too high. Right. Next we all see option 3. What? My tanks are like a tiger among my tanks are like a tiger among toys. It means dash. My tanks are like a tiger among toys. It means dash. Yes. How many options are here? 3 options also here. The first one is Hamid valued his toy. The second one is option B. Hamid bought a tiger toy because a pot means buying. Okay. C. Option C also here. Hamid wanted to exchange his toy. Hamid wanted to exchange his toy. Which is the answer of here? Yes, correct. The option A also answer. Hamid valued his toy. because tiger is one of the valuable, because of Hamid also liking this valuable toy, very important toy of Hamid. He think this is my important toy. So Hamid also thinking because of that tiger toy also very important of Hamid. Okay. Now we are see the fourth one. Okay. Hamid's granny scolded him for buying iron tongues. What? Hamid's granny scolded him for buying on iron tongues. Then she understood that Hamid had bought it dash. Then, then she understood that Hamid had bought it dash. Yes. How many options also here? One, two, three. Three options also here. And the first one is out of compulsions. Out of compulsion. Sorry, it's not compulsion. 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 Out of compulsion. The second one is, option B, out of love and concern. Because of out of love and concern also here. The option C also here. What is that? Yes, out of interest. This the answer of here. Yes, this answer is the option B also answered. Yes, option B. Out of love and concern also answer. Right. Already we have see the glossary. Correct. Uh, okay, students. Now we are see read and understand. Okay. Option A, answer the following questions. We are see right. Now we are see the answers and questions. The first questions. Question number 1. Right. What? What did Granny say about Hamid's parents? What did Granny say about Hamid's parents? Right. Answer is what? Now I given to the answer to you. Yes, you see here. The answer is this is one of the answer. A granny said that Hamid's father had gone to earn money. Because of their earn money, why granny telling to the this type of answer mean because of Hamid also asked the question to granny. So granny said that Hamid's father had gone to earn money. His mother had gone to Allah. Allah mean one of the god, like a prayer. Yes, to get lovely gifted for Hamid. Again, one time I tell, Granny said that Hamid's father had gone to earn money. Next, his mother also said his mother had gone to Allah. Allah mean one of the god, right? To get lovely gifted for Hamid. That time Hamid also thinking, my mother also coming here, my mother also coming here, always thinking. Okay, you see the second questions here. You see the second question. What? Write about Hamid in one or two sentences. Write about Hamid in one or two sentences also here. What? You see the second one. What? The answer is Hamid was 4 years old because of his 4 years boys, So Hamid was 4 years old. His age is 4 years. So they are mentioned old for 4-year old. Okay. Right. He was thin and poorly dressed. Poorly dressed mean one like a damaged one, dusted one. So poorly. Okay. Hamid was 4 years old. He was thin and poorly dressed because of he put in only poor dressed also he put. But he was the happiest. All the boys around. Okay. You see, Okay, one second I read these questions. Hamid was 4 years old. He was thin and poorly dressed, but he was the happiest of all the boys around. Okay. Next, we ask the third one. See the question. How did Hamid's friend enjoy the games in the fire? Once again, I read. How did Hamid's friends enjoy the games in the fire? Right. The answer is what? Now I write the answer. Already I prepared. Okay. See. How did Hamid's friends enjoy the games in the fire? Uh, yes. See, Hamid's friends enjoyed the merry-go-round. This is one of the Rotterdam, you know that? Yeah. Hamid's friends enjoyed the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. Hamid's friends enjoyed the merry-go-round. Mahmoud bought the toy of a policeman. Because Mahmoud bought a, that's one of the toy name is policeman. Okay. You see, Mosin bought a water carrier. Mosin also bought a water carrier. Noori got a lawyer because of that is one of the toys. Then they bought the same seed candy clove. Candy mean one of the chocolate like the chocolate and clove. Clove mean one of the globe jamuns. Globe jamuns and halwa. Halwa also they are eating. Okay, they are mentioned halwa. Okay. Now ask the questions. What are all they are buying? Yes. Hamid's friends enjoy the merry-go-round. Muhammad bought the toy of the policeman. Part mean buying. You see, Mozin also bought water carrier. Noori got a lawyer. Then they uh, bought the same seed candy, globe jamuns and halwa. Globe jamun, one of the sweetness, yes, and tasty of one. Right. Next, you see the question number 4. What did Hamid buy at the fire? And for whom? Right. The answer is what? Now we give you the answer. You see the fourth one. Hamid bought a pair of tanks. That's one of the things you know. Hamid bought a pair of tanks at the fire for his grandmother. Who is the grandmother? Yes. Grandmother name is Amina. Yeah, Amina is one of the grandmother. Right. What did Hamid buy at the fire? And for whom? Yes, Hamid bought a pair of tanks at the fire of sorry at the fire for his grandmother. Right. Next we have the fifth one. The fifth question also here. Why did uh, one second I read? Yes. Why did Granny scold him? Hamid. Why did Granny scold Hamid? Okay, the answer is what? It was almost noon time. I mean, noon time in 3 o'clock. That's time. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That type of time. Okay, so it was almost noon time. Hamid did not buy any eatable for him because of he did not get sweets snacks. He cannot eat. So he mean what? Hamid. It was almost noon time. Hamid did not buy any vegetables for him, but he bought a pair of tanks. That they are buying to the tanks. So pair of tongues. So Granny scolded him. Granny scolded him. One second, I tell these questions. The fifth one, why did Granny scold Hamid? Because of it was almost noon time. Hamid did not buy any eatables for him, but he bought a pair of young tongues. So Granny scolded him. Okay, okay. Are you clear? Okay, students. Uh, Next, you are C. Option B. What? Rearrange the jumped sentence and write them in the correct order. Because of how many sentences also here? Yes, one, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 sentences also here, no? Is how to make a sentence in the order. Wait, just you read. The first one, but Hamid bought a pair of tongues. The second one is Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. Okay. The third one is Hamid's friend bought different toys of their choice. Next one, Hamid proudly compared his tongues with brave tiger. Okay. Next, Hamid had less money than his friends. And then Granny Amina was worried as he had to go the Edgar alone. Once again I read. Granny Amina was worried as he had to go to the Edgar alone. Edgar mean Eid. It's one of the Muslim festival. Now we make the order. Which is the first one? Yes. You see, Granny Amina was worried as he had to go to the Edgar alone. Yes, the first one is the sixth one is first one. So this is the answer one. This is the first one mean first order. Number of order one. It's one. You see the second one. Hamid had less money than his friends. Hamid had less money than his friends. See? Yes. This is one of the second one. See second one. Alright, second. Uh, Next we have C. Mm, 1, 2, 3. You come first one. But Hamid bought a pair of tongues. Yes, it's one of the fourth one. Right. You see, Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. Granny Amina felt proud of her grandson. Which number of this line? Yes, 1, 2. This is second one, so it's number of 6. Okay. Next, we are the third one. Hamid's friend bought different toys of their choice. 1, 2, 3. 3 also here. Which is the option of here? 3 is, yes, the same answer of 3. 3 also here. Right. You see, next one. Hamid proudly compared his tongues with a brave tiger. Right. Which number of it? Yes, it's one of fifth one. I think fifth one. Right, fifth one. The fifth answer also here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 answer also I have. See, this is 1, this is 2, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6. So 6 answer also here. Like, right. Okay. Next we are see vocabulary. Right. Next we are see vocabulary. What? You see option C. Fill in the blanks with the help of the picture clues. Because of there, give some clues. Now we match. Or we are match. Yes. How many pictures also here? Yes. One, two, three, four, five. Five pictures also here. Yes. See, the first one is what? Yes, the first picture is name. Yes, the first picture name is binocular. Right, right. Binocular. Yes, this name is binocular. A pair of binocular. You see, a pair of binocular. Right. The second one is what? What it is? Yes, forceps. This name is FORCP. This name is forceps. Right. You see next one. What is it? So this is a pair of forceps, a pair of binocular. See, pair of binocular, a pair of forceps, and the one is what? Yes, it's one of the pliers. Pliers. Its name is pliers. Right. You see what? Balance two pictures also here. Right. Its name is yes, trousers. It's not the trousers. Yes, TROUSERS. Trousers also here. So I mentioned trousers. Finally, we all see. Yes, what is it? Yes, gloves. Gloves also here. Right. So now right. GLOV. Gloves also here. So once again we have see a pair of binocular, a pair of forceps, a pair of pliers, a pair of trousers, a pair of gloves also here because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fixes also here. So we are mention it. Next option D. Who am I? Who am I? Use a pair of. Right. Because of which is the pair we are mention it. Okay. What? The first questions. We wear this on our face to see clearly. What? And there mentions use a pair of. Because of you see examples now, right? The first questions, we wear this on our face to see clearly. We wear this on our face to see clearly. What? See, yeah, PAIR, a pair of SPECTACLES, a pair of spectacles, a PAIR OF of SPECTACLES, a pair of spectacles. Right. We are see the next one. I mean the second one. We wear this on our ears. What we wear? Yes. Yes. What? Right. Yeah. a a pair of a pair of ear studs. STU, a pair of studs. It's one of like you know the earring. That's a pair of ear studs. Ear studs or headphone. That's one of the ear headphone. A pair of headphone. So now we write a pair of ear studs because of they are mentioned here. Okay. So now we write a pair of ear studs. Right? Are you clear? Okay. We are see the third one. What? We wear this on our face when it is sunny. Okay. We wear this. We wear this on our face when it is sunny. What? You see the answer now I write here. Now I write here. You see here. What? A PAIR, a pair of what? A pair of sunglasses. Now right? SUN sun GLA. Yes. A pair of sunglasses. Right. Next, we ask the fourth question. Okay, the fourth question is also here. What? We cut things with dash. We cut things with dash. A pair of scissors. Yes. Now I write a pair of scissors. Yeah. A pair of SCI. Yes. Oh, yes. A pair of scissors. Okay. Scissor means one of the cutting thing. Okay, one of the cutter. Right. Now we are see the fifth ones. We wear this on our feet. What? How to write feet? Yes. A pair. Yeah. A pair of. So see what? KS. A pair of socks. Okay. Okay. Are you clear? Right. Okay, students. What? Next we are see option E. Okay. Now we are see add a suitable prefix and suffix. Okay. Now we are see prefix and suffix. Add a suitable prefix and suffix and make new words. Because of we are making a new words. Okay. You see the first one. What? The first one is child also here. How to write child? You see this box. The two boxes also here. You see one box, two box. Okay, two boxes also here. And the first box here, the second box also here. The first one is child. How to make child? Now I write the suffix. Yes, child. Foot. Oh. childhood. Okay. Next we are see dash known. You also see here box. See this box. Okay. See here ship hood and after and less filament I am us also here. Which is the answer? You see S A F T E R. Yes, afternoon. Okay, right. Next we are see what relation. Relations also here. You see this box. They are mentioned ship. So now right relationship is B. Sketch B. Relationship. Right. Next we are see dash happy. But here we are right prefix. You see this is also suffix, this is also prefix, it is also suffix. Now we are see what prefix. What 1 2 3 happy mean you see this box. Yes, they are mentioned now we take okay unhappy. Okay. Okay. Next you are see danger also here danger. See this box. Oh yes, dangerous. Yes, now write here OUS. OUS, dangerous. Okay. See wonder also here. How to write? You see this box. Yes, wonder mean wonderful. FUL. You see wonderful. So now I write wonderful. Another one is count. Count mean you see this box. What? Yes, less also here. So now we take countless. LE. Yes, countless. You see here patient. Okay, how to write? CIM. Okay, now write IM. I'm patient. Okay, right. You see excite mean now right. You see MENT. MENT. Excitement also here. Right. Next we are see perfect also only balance. Right. So now write a perfect. How to write perfect? Right, perfect balance. CIN perfect iron. Right, IO perfect iron. Right. Okay, next we are see section F. What? Match the following and write them column C. One second I read. Match the following and write them in column C. Right. How to write? You see a cup full of opposite is you see the B money. See a bag full of sugar, a spoon full of coffee, a pocket full of silver. Because of we are matching. Okay, how to match? First of all, we are see a cup full of. How to match? Yes, a cup full of. Now I match. Okay, now I match. A cup full of what? A cup full of coffee. So now I write a cup full, cup fill of, now right here, coffee. CUFF. Right, a cup full of coffee. The second one is a bag full of what? A bag full of, now I match a bag full of silver. A BAG, a bag full of silver. 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 A bag full of silver. Two words also balance here, right? You see a phone full of, how to match? Now write a phone full of sugar. Okay, now write a phone full of sugar. So now write a SPO, phone full of SUGAR, a phone full of sugar. So now match phone full of sugar. One word also balance here. Okay, a pocket full of what? A pocket full of money. Because of money also balance here, so easily I match. So now we match a pocket full of, now right, a POCKET, pocket full of SIL, a pocket full of silver. Yeah, okay, right. Match the following, match the following and write them in column C. Also, you clear, students? Right. You don't mean you see these pictures, okay, or you read this and pause the video and read it and easily understood. Okay, I cannot understood mean you see these words, okay, so easily you understood, right? Next we are see option G, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. Now write the suitable words. Okay, the first one is the thieves comes out of the house of with a dash of gold and silver. The thieves comes out of the house with a dash of gold and silver. This answer, how to match it? You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 5 answer also here. How to match? Yes, the first one is how to match, right? See, the thieves come out of the house with a dash of gold and silver. Right answer. Yes, this is one of the answer. The last bag full. BAG. Bag full also answer. You see second one's, my mother throws a dash of grains for the parrots every day. What? My mother throws a dash of grains for the parrots every day. What's the answer of here? Yes, the answer right here. Yes, you see this word. You see this word. Yes. Second one is handful. Yes. Now I write the handful. HA, handful. This is one of the answer of here. Now we are see the third one. He took a dash of the cake. He took a dash of the cake. Now right, you see a cupful. This answer of right here. CUP cupful. He took a dash of the cake. He took a cupful of the cake. Right. Next we are see the fourth one. Ram takes a dash soup before food. Ram takes a dash of soup before food. What? The fourth one. What? Ram takes a dash. Yes, cup full of soup. Sorry students, the third one is very wrong because of now right wrong. Not this answer. Now erase it. Okay. Not the answer. The third one is mouthful. Okay. Now right here this answer mouthful. MO. You see. Mouthful. He took a mouthful of cake. See, mouthful, not a cupful. This is not a mouthful because of the third one is because of a wrongly right. Okay, sorry. Okay, the fourth one is Ram takes a dash of soup before food because of they are taking cupful of soup. Okay. Next we are see the fifth one. John added a dash of sugar of sorry. John added a dash of sugar to the lemon juice. What? You see this picture? Sorry, you see this word? Spoonful. SP ON. Spoonful. John added a dash of sugar to the lemon juice. Spoonful of sugar to the lemon juice. So now I write the spoonful. Now I match the spoonful. Next we are see the sixth one. The child was happy with his dash of chocolates. The child was happy with his dash of chocolates. Because of the chocolates also cake, no? Easily think which word is balanced out here. Yes. The pocket full only also balance on here. Yes, so now right. See, pocket full. Right here, pocket full. PO CK pocket full. Okay, students. These are all the answer. Answer also I write here. Are you clear? Okay, students. Today class is over. See you next class. Bye bye.